Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about physical nature of matter and the characteristics of particles of matter. Physical nature means with a naked eye, with a physical appearance, how this matter looks like. In this, we are going to learn about matter is made up of particles, and those particles are very, very small. Second topic we are going to learn this top chapter is characteristics of the particles of matter. Under this heading, three topics we are going to learn. Let us check first one, physical nature of matter. So first one, that is matter is made up of particles. Matter, suppose this pen is like a matter, it's said to be matter. In this pen contains a chemical which contains like a small particles. That we can demonstrate with an example, with an activity. Take for example water. Take a beaker, add water in that. To that water add salt. Suppose water is a matter now. We assume matter which is said to be water, like a continuous block or like a particles. Two chances. Case 1, if we assume that water is like a continuous block which is having this much of level, when we add salt to it, the level should increase, because as salt is added, it cannot go inside, so level should increase. But practically, when we add salt to the water, the level never increases. Let's see why it is so. In case 2, if the particles of this water is, if the matter of this water is like a particles, like a small particles, if we assume water which is said to be matter is like a particles, when we add salt to it, this salt passes through it and completely dissolves. We call this as a dissolving of salt. This is possible, and the level of the water never increases because salt is going inside this water. It can go inside this water when the particles of the water is like a small particles. When the matter of this water is like a small particles, when you add a salt to it, it passes through that water, because water is like a particles, it passes through the particles. If it is like a continuous block, the level of the water should increase. Practically, level of the water is not increasing. This indicates that the matter contains particles.